Growing up, we didn't used to eat pancakes for breakfast. Our mom would make us malawah, which is a Somali style crepe, soft, sweet, and super easy to make. In a blender, add together 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of water, 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon cardamom, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. You can also use a hand mixer for this step. You just want the batter to be super smooth with no lumps. Next, heat up your pan and use a ladle to pour about a 1/4 cup of batter. And you can either tilt the pan to spread the batter like a traditional crepe, but I like to use the bottom of the ladle to create these beautiful traditional swirls. It takes a little bit of practice, but this will make your malawah turn out much thinner. Add a little drizzle of your favorite oil or ghee and then flip to the other side. You can serve malawah with honey, a sprinkle of sugar, as a side to savory stews, or just eat it plain like it is and it'll still taste really good.